So how you can make an affiliate link on copy.ai. So in order to do this, you need to make sure to first of all open up your copy.ai, then go to the home section. Then you're gonna simply scroll all the way down until you see the option of company, and this is where you're gonna see the option of affiliate program. Now, a few months back, many people started complaining that they can no longer access the affiliate program link that was in the company. So, in my opinion, copy.ai has removed the affiliate program from their website and you can no longer access it. If you have access it, you can simply click on it and you're gonna need to fill out a Google Forms file. Then you're gonna submit it. It includes your full name, your contact email, your website or social media profile link, and where would you like to promote copy.ai, and what audience or customer type are you planning to target. Now you just gonna need to answer all of them in a Google Forms, and then you're gonna submit. And when you are approved for the copy.ai affiliate program, you just gonna need to click on the copy link, and then you will be able to promote it via social media or any other preferred platform. So hope this helps. This is how you can make an affiliate link on copy.ai.